Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. This is where you wish for songs and have your tutorials on this channel, Chord Guitar. And this time you did that data and then question marks. I'm not sure if data and the numbers afterwards is your full name, but anyway, I will call you Data. Thank you for interacting with me here on Chord Guitar. You wish for this Young Kai song called Blue. Alright, so thank you, and I hope you will enjoy this and all you Young Kai fans out there. So let's go into this nice song here, and we'll do that with capo set on the 4th position. All right, that is the absolute best scenario for us to handle the easiest chords possible, and that combined with this melodies going on in this song to have them easy to play and also easy chords to grip. So that is the best scenario, capo on 4th. And I suggest if you don't have any capo, then skip it, but still use the same chords I'm using and the melodies I'm using. It will be a little bit darker, of course, because that is what the capo does, but it will be the easiest way of playing this, and that is the most important thing in my opinion. So anyway, let's look into this one, and we need to learn the chords. Those are the building blocks for the song, like always, almost. So let's go into the chord world here and start with a bar chord. Okay, that is the F. So you bar the 1st fret here, all strings on that 1st fret, and then you need to add 3rd fret on A string, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. All right. So there you have the F. Next chord is G. That goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have C as well, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We then have the E minor, but with the B in the bass. So that means basically you skip the E string. You start from the 2nd A, 2nd D, and then open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be A minor. So that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And I just want to mention, if you think F is a hard chord to grab, then you can go with the F major, much easier to grab that one. You don't have to bar a fret like this. So that's the second option for F, and it works pretty well for this specific song, and that will be to have 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. And that is actually the grip we're gonna work more with when it comes to the melody. So the bar chord is great and nice for the strumming, but for melodies, yeah, we'll go and stick with the F major, shorter version of F. So that's that. All right, let's go into this start of the song here, the intro. And that is instrumental part, and we'll have 3 longer instrumental parts in this song, but they will be similar. So once you know one of them, the first one here, then yeah, you've come far. So we're gonna start with this intro. I'm gonna take you chord by chord, and it starts like this. That's kind of a starting point, okay? So what you do here is to play 1st fret B string, open B, and open G for 3 rounds. So, and then that part, and that will be 1st B, 3rd B, and open high E. And then it actually starts pretty much. So that's kind of an intro for the intro, if that makes sense. Anyway, so that is how it goes. And then comes the chords. Now we'll start with the F part first. And yeah, I can just mention the first half of this melody will be to play F, G, C, and A minor, all right? And then the second half will be again F, G, C, and A minor, but a little bit of a different ending there. So that's what's up. So F, G, C, A minor, that's first half of it. So let's take a look at the first F, okay? It goes like this. So you see it's based more upon the F major. We just had a shorter version of it. So you're gonna play 3rd fret D string together with open G, then 2nd G, 1st B, 1st E, open E, and 3rd B. Okay, that's the F part. Then comes the G, goes like this. So it goes 3rd on E string in the bass, open B, 1st B, 3rd B, and back to 1st B. That's the G part. Then comes the C, it goes like this. That is to play 3rd fret on A string together with open G, then 2nd D, 3rd D, and open G. And then finally we have A minor, last chord in this first half, and it goes simply. And that is to play open A string together with open B, and then 1st B. Then starts the second half, okay? So that goes in the same way when it comes to F. So it goes. Then comes G. And that is to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass. Then 3rd high E, 1st E, and open E. Then comes the C part, and it goes like this. And that is to play 3rd fret on A string together with 1st B. Then 2 more times on 1st B. Then 3rd B for 3 times. That's the C. And then you have the final chord, the A minor, follows the same principle as the last C we just played. It goes like this. So that is to play open A string with open high E. Then 2 more times on open high E. And then you finish off with open B 3 times. And that's it. All right, so that is the big intro and the starting point of the song. Blue, I'm gonna take you through it, and it goes like this. So a little bit faster, and then you head to the standard tempo there. Now into the actual song, the verse, and we need to learn the strumming. We're gonna do that for the first chord, the F. Either go with the full bar chord or with the shorter F major, it's up to you. But I'm gonna go with the full chord here. So 1 string around will be about 3 downs, and it goes like this. So you try to separate the downs. So the first down is played on the bass string, that marks out the actual chord. And then the last 2 downs, you can kind of answer in the mid-higher area down here with the higher notes. So that is 1 string around, bass top, bass top, top, bass top, top, bass top, top, bass top, top. All right, so we got it there. Now the verse play is played F, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, and A minor, 2 string rounds. You're gonna play that chord progression F, G, C, A minor for 4 chord progression rounds. Let's go for 2, and it goes like this. Again, F2, G2, C2, and A minor 2. Alright, 2 rounds there, you're gonna play it for 4 rounds, and that's the first verse. Okay, then comes the first chorus, and we are now about 48 seconds into the song. So, we're gonna play the strumming, continue with that. It's gonna be F2, G2, C2, and A minor 2 in the same way as we play the verse play for the first round. So F2, G2, C2, A minor 2. Then for round number 2 and 3, so 2 rounds now, you're gonna play F2, G2, C1, E minor B1, and A minor 2. So F2, G2, C1, E minor 1, A minor 2. Again, F2. And the fourth and final round, you're gonna play F2 and G2. And that's the end of the first course. And it stops a little bit in the middle here. If you noticed, all the other rounds had more chords. This has only, the fourth round has only 2 chords, F2 and G2. And that is because the instrumental starts now, the second instrumental part, all right? And we're now about 1 minute and 14 seconds into the song. So what you're gonna do here is to play the exact same way as you played the first instrumental part, starting with F immediately, okay? So, and all that part. So you're gonna play the instrumental parts for 1 round. So it ends with this A minor. And once you finish 1 round of that instrumental part, you're gonna play now the new kind of longer version. It continues here, and this is the second instrumental part. So it continues with F in the same way. And then comes the G in the same way again. And then comes C in the same way. And then A minor. So far in the same way. Okay? So now is where it changes a little bit here. The F part goes like this. So that will be to play 3rd fret on D string together with open high E. Then 3rd E, back to open E, 1st B, and 2nd G. That's the F. Then comes the G part, goes like this. That is to play 3rd fret on E string together with open B. Then open G, then open B again, 1st B, 3rd B. That's it for G. Then C, just that. And that is to play 3rd fret on A string together with 1st B. Just 1 kick and a pause, and then A minor like this. And that is to play open A together with open B, and then 1st B. And that ends the instrumental part number 2. So to summarize that part, it was to start with instrumental part number 1, in the same way as you started the song. Then after that, you're gonna play again, starting on F, G, C, and A minor in the same way as you played instrumental part number 1. So that means you're gonna play 1.5 round, so to speak, of instrumental part 1, and then you had the ending here that I just showed you with the newer version of F, G, C, and A minor. So that is the instrumental part number 2. Over now to the second round of this verse. And it differs a little bit from the first one, so I'm going to take you through that. We're going to play F2, G2, C2, and A minor 2. So it starts in the same way, but then it differs in the second round here. You're going to play F2, G2, then C1, G1, and A minor 2. That was the second round. And then round number 3 and number 4, you're gonna go back and play F2, G2, C2, and A minor 2 in the same way as you started. that is the second verse. So just to summarize that one, round number 1, number 3, and number 4 are played the same way. F2, G2, C2, and A minor 2. But round number 2 is played F2, G2, C1, G1, A minor 2. Okay, so that is the second verse. And then comes the second chorus, played in exact same way as the first one. No changes there. We don't have to go through that again. You already learned it. And then comes the final parts of the song, and that is the third instrumental part. So this is a very melody, instrumental part heavy song, all right? So what you're gonna do now is to play the same way as you play the second instrumental part, all right? It was twice as long as the first one. So play instrumental part number 2, okay? And then you're gonna play again the second part, the part that was new, so to speak, from the first one. That part you're gonna play with an extra round, so to speak. So that will be basically to play 3 rounds. So consider the instrumental part number 1 as part number 1, the added parts in instrumental part number 2 as number 2, and then you're gonna play that part for 2 rounds here in this third instrumental part, if that makes sense. So total of 3 rounds, part 1 and then part 2 for 2 times. And after you play that part 2 for 2 times, the ending here will be just to play A minor, not like this, in the same way as you ended instrumental part number 2, but you just play it instead with 1 down, okay? So 1 down on the last A minor in the third round in this third instrumental part, all right? Many words, but that is actually how I handle Young Kai's Blue. Nice song, very melodious, and a lot of harmony, and just a fine song here. So thank you, Dada, for highlighting this one. I hope you will enjoy this and have some personal use for it. And yeah, all the Young Kai fans, hope you appreciate that as well. I put down a lot of work for all you guys to handle these songs for you every day, so I would appreciate all the support. Everything I can get is I'm very grateful for that. So thank you for subscribing to this channel and support me in different ways. Till next time, guys, play tuned.